stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
The number you have dialed.
We're gonna be making DIY highlight, like we're gonna be making our own highlight, actually under $3. I got the pigments from Dollar Tree, so they were 99 cents each. This is all you're gonna need: loose eye pigments and rubbing alcohol, and an empty container to put the highlighter in. I'm gonna do one where we mix the silver and the gold, and then I'm gonna do silver and gold by themselves, just so you're aware. The colors that I got Honeysuckle and I got Snow White. We're gonna take the Snow White loose pigment, we're gonna just take them out. So as you guys can see, this is what the swatch is looking like so far. This almost looks like, this silver one almost looks like the Rihanna. So we're gonna do a DIY Rihanna. So we're going to attempt to take all the pigment out. See if there's an easier way. And then we're gonna also mix the Snow White. So these were both $1 each, okay? You guys, it's so much product in here. I'm like really shook right now. So I'm gonna just use this to measure how much alcohol I'm gonna pour in, but I'm gonna just start off with a little bit, because it's better to start off with a little bit of product than to completely, you know, make it watery. Face doesn't break out. All right, so we're good. So now we're going to just go in with our alcohol. We're going with a bit at a time. Stir it up. Oh, and it's already looking like super pretty. So I actually put in a lot. Like, this is a lot of alcohol, to be quite honest. So we're gonna have to go in with some more pigment. The more alcohol, the more product you'll have. So you guys will see that it's turning more into a thicker texture, and that's the texture that we need. But we're gonna just scoop this all into. Only thing we're gonna do now is take this, smooth it around. This is what it would look like. We're gonna take napkin, place it over the top, get a cup. You guys can see it's really pink. We're gonna make 2 more, and I'm gonna show you guys what that's gonna look like. So this is what it's looking like so far. We're gonna just go store this in the fridge, and I'm gonna make 2 more. This one and this one is actually gonna turn out hopefully looking like the new Rihanna diamond balls. Oh fuck, y'all, this was a terrible idea. Zit absorbed all of our product. Here is Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, and here is the one that I made. The one that I made was $1. I'm gonna just swipe them for you. So this is How Many Carats. Do you see it? Or do I have to double swipe it because you didn't see it? Okay, that was How Many Carats. We're gonna swish the one that I did, okay? We just did one, and I know that you see it, but let's double it so we can be fair. So this is Rihanna's, and this is ours. Ours is a whole lot more blang blangy than Rihanna's, but we're not gonna even go there. We're gonna be nice. But here are the ones that we've done. But yeah, let's start. So this is the one that I'm most excited about. This was the mixture that I made. So we're gonna just go in with the regular highlighting brush. Yeah, we're gonna just go in. Okay, so first of all, it's hella pigmented. I'm actually scared. All right, let's go. I'm just looking at it. Oh! I am motherfucking shook. I think this one is better than this. I haven't even tried this one. We're gonna swatch this one on this side of the face. But you, what? This is better than any highlight I've ever owned. How the, you guys, I just made this one. See, I was really, we got hella product. I don't even want to spit the product out, but I was thinking that this one that I made was gonna look more like Rihanna's, but you guys, I'm literally not about to pick up anything but my DIY highlight. What? What? Okay, let's just finish this side. Oh my gosh, it's just like perfect. Let's try this white one. This one was supposed to be the DIY Rihanna, the Fenty. This is the Snow White from LA Colors. You guys, this one, the one that I put in the mag, what? This is about to be my everyday highlight. Like, fuck, what the fuck? Okay, I'm sorry for all the cursing. But let's go on with this one. This one was supposed to be our DIY Fenty. I'm actually scared that it's not picking up any, okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, let me just go on, let me not. Go on some more, and I just put it in my cream contour Anastasia, okay. You ready? I don't even know how to, okay, let's go. Okay, Rihanna. You guys, do you see it? I know you see it, but this literally reminds me of, this is Diamond Glow. This is for sure it. This side is how you guys want Diamond Glow to look, okay? This side is Diamond Glow. Are you serious? What is life? This side is Rihanna. Because you guys know, I don't know if you've tried the Rihanna, but if you try to use a Rihanna with a fan brush, this, how many carats? You'll be wiping your life away, but you guys, I'm literally shook right now. You guys, this is Rihanna. Let's go for the middle. Yeah, this is a more of an everyday style. So we gotta add, let's add this one, because this one is literally, this one is my favorite. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. Oh my gosh. Do you not see this epic highlight? Oh my gosh. Then let's put it on our inner corners. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see that highlighting? If you have not tried your own DIY highlighters, I'd suggest you guys head over to Big Lots, Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, or I don't know, LA Colors, whatever loose pigment you have, even if you have some old shimmery eyeshadows that you don't use, turn it into a fucking highlighter, because I am shook. I'm literally about to wear this highlight every day. Do you see this highlight on my face? She was $1. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone, a makeup lover who's spending a lot of money out there. I got you.